Hello and welcome to the sofa. If you are a member of the Facebook page Extreme Couponing and Bargains UK, which I help manage, you will probably see in there, as well as other pages, that people are getting some great bargains from B&M. Not just because of the low prices that they already are, but they're coming up at the till even cheaper. So people are getting like bedding for £1, shelving units for £1, toys for £1, or just things generally being half price. Now I'm going to tell you guys about an app so you can actually go around the store yourself and check the prices for yourself. So like say if there's something that you really want that's marked up as £50, you can go up to it with your phone, and if it's cheaper, that is a bonus. Or if you see someone post a bargain from B&M, say that they've got some bedding that was marked up as £25 and it's scanning through as £2.50 and you want it, go to B&M, get your app out, scan it over, and it should tell you that it's like £2.50. When you scan it, it will come up with the same price at the till, so there should not be a problem. Now I'm going to show you guys how to use the app. So installing the app's really easy. You just go to your app store on your phone, and then in the search bar type in B&M app, and the first one that comes up, it says B&M stores, and that's the one you want to install. Once you have installed it onto your phone, you will have the icon that looks like this. And then obviously mine's already like signed in, but you get the option to sign up, sign in. You don't have to do this, by the way, you can just skip it. And then it shows you all the deals on in their store and on their website. But I guess the bit you guys want to know is how to get the best deals and how to use the scanner. So if you go to, you've got all these icons here down the bottom. You've got home, search, store finder, lifestyle and more. You want to click more. And then you get a list that pops up, and then the second one down says barcode price checker, so you want to click this one, and as you can see this comes up. Now obviously I'm not in B&M at the moment, but I do have a B&M product to show you. I've just got these washi tapes, so all you're going to want to do is hover over the barcode like so, and it tells us Hobby World craft tape, and the price is £1.99. It then will also come up with things similar to the product that you might be interested in as well. I hope this little video made sense to you guys. If you've got any comments, feel free to ask me down below and I will answer them. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up because that makes me happy. And if you're not already a subscriber, please press subscribe and click the ding-a-lingy bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!